Janice Webb from New Zealand. When I was a little girl, I don't know now whether it was at church or at Girls' Life Brigade, but we used to have parcels between the two countries. We sent many gifts to Niue, and I always wondered, what would it be like to go there? And when I was invited to go, I thought, yes, I'm going to find out. 70 years plus later, I'll get there. And it's as beautiful as I ever imagined. I love the way that you personally treated the whole experience around the coconut with such joy, telling your story, and I was so overwhelmed by it because I've seen people do things before but never as well and never with such passion, and I thought I'd just love to, when you mentioned there's something that you could give towards it, I thought how wonderful. I just do all I can to make the world stay a better place, and I get terribly upset when I hear about things that upset the system, God's wonderful plan of how everything is in its place and everything is perfect, and it's only one thing that mucks it up, humans. And it's something I feel very deeply, my love of animals. As I've been a teacher for a long, long time, I'd like to see young people have the advantage of the money and learn and be as proud of their heritage as you are.